Ray Lopez, Summit Service Group warehouse manager, and he wants to explain a couple things about the backpack vacs. Go ahead, Ray.
Okay, so one of the issues, Shirley brought this in from Montessori Peaks with a note saying that the vacuum goes off and on, that it's a problem with the vacuum. Okay, it is a problem, but it's a problem on the user end, not the warehouse end. I'm going to demonstrate right here to see what happens when the operators do not use the equipment properly. What happens is they'll tie the cord like shown here,
right?
All right, and they'll let the cord unravel and to its fullest tension,
right?
Which causes pressure on this radius here.
Got
now
it.
This is a flexible spring that helps protect, but it doesn't always protect the machine itself. So I'm going to demonstrate what happens. So I'm going to turn the unit on. It's going to go on, and then I'm going to move the cord to show you that there is a break in the cord down in where it flexes at. And it turns off. You can see that it's still on.
Right.
Right?
Yep. Got it.
Okay. So what happens when they do that is eventually the spring relief breaks and it causes cutting on the cord itself.
So a short.
A short. I have another one to demonstrate the seriousness at what could happen. This actually melted all the way through, and it actually caused a little fire on the side of the backpack vacuum.
Ouch. Not safe. So we could burn down a client's building.
You could actually burn down the client, or the person themselves won't notice it,
right?
And they could catch on fire.
That would be not good. So that we either have an employee on fire or the client could catch on fire.
And I have replaced this before.
Okay.
I've worked on this before.
So what's the solution?
The solution is for them to hold the slack in their hand as they're releasing it, vacuuming.
Right.
Once they get to the end of the tension, once it starts getting tight, they need to walk back to the extension, unplug it, and plug it in.
Got it.
That also causes pulling, which we lose prongs on the end of the cord and break the receptacles on the client's wall as well.
Got it.
So there's other issues that down the line which could create a problem. This does several things. Burns out the switch, could burn out the motor, which it has before,
right?
Or cause a fire, which is the worst thing possible that we want to happen. We don't want that to happen.
Got it. All right. Thank you, Ray.
Okay.
Yep.
You're welcome.